everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 8th to the 10th of January 2024 on Monday. Kuzwayo suggests that the family should go to Babumsizi to use his spiritual powers and check where Velepi is. Nelly gets into trouble with Tina about a jersey that disappeared on Tuesday. Sia hails when Sibongile catches him coming out of Tosile's room. The search for Velepi intensify, and when a bloody shoes is found, everyone fears the worst on Wednesday. At Nomalanga's Umembe, so Kwenzo's world tilt off its exit or exes when Sibongile bears her heart with a shocking confession. Tension erupts at Zex's residence, culminating in a deadly gunshot that leaves one life hanging in the balance. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.